wanting to make a video because we are wrapping up our 50 book challenge today. It was a little non-traditional this time around because I couldn't find my official start date, and so I had to arbitrarily choose. I was hoping I would be able to pull it from the photo data that I had uploaded onto my Google Drive, but there was some sort of update, and so it scrambled the date that was listed. So that meant that I wasn't able to pull it from that data. So I had to arbitrarily choose. I chose October 1st, and I didn't make it by my standard. I had about 8 books left. I made a video saying that there were, I was picking up books, but they were like starting to get very dark, and like this beautiful book about like shepherding and nature, and it's like, oh, that lamb died, the mama lamb sheep died, and oh, that bird died, oh, we killed the coyote, and so and then there was another book that was like, it was like murder, and it was like, everything I touched was slowly just turning to not good. So I decided that I was going to try. I kind of gave up on it actually, but then I thought, well, I can try reading these comic books. There was an app that I downloaded. I was looking for comic strips, like newspaper comic strips, but they don't have those in bulk on apps that I can find. So I found these like comic book series instead, where it's like little episodes, kind of like TV episodes, and then they culminate in a season finale, and then they have the other one. And so I decided that I was going to treat each season as one book, but there are like 50, the ones that I'm finding, you can't search for like little one-shot short ones like you can for like fan fiction. I don't see that as a filter, and so I just have to guess, and all of them are like 50 episodes long, and another 50 episodes, and so it's so I said, okay, well, we can read this because they're not long, these little episodes, but 50 is excessive, and I was hoping to knock out a couple to get my number up to 50 before the end of tonight, but it's just taking way too long, so it's not going to register. It's not going to be legit this time around. If I was counting those little episodes as books, then I would have it, because I think I'm over 10 in, and I just needed 8, but they are very short, and I've counted like children's books that are in Spanish before, and like but I don't want to do that for this one, so it's okay. You don't win all of them, and that's fine. So I am enjoying the webtoons, the comics. That's not something that I've really read like this before. I have had like paper comic books, just like I've had one, and then like comic novels, graphic novels that I've been getting into, which are kind of like these in how the length of them, but like with the culmination of the episode. So this is a new forum for me, a new format. Like I said, I was looking for newspaper comics, and this is what I found, but it's been enjoyable. I like the story, I like the characters, I like the format. So overall it's good, but we're going to try another 50 book challenge. I think a while back I did the 100 book challenge, and I've been taking it easy just because I've been doing more traveling, and I've not been staying in one place, so that's okay. But we are going to try another 50 book, and we'll see what happens next time. So have a great night, and I'll talk to you later.